Yay, this Mr. Capalbo. This cooking with Mr. Capalbo. Maybe I'm going to change it to just cooking with Mr. Capalbo. Not Italian cooking. I want to do more than just Italian cooking. I was hoping to do some desserts. Maybe make a cake today. I'm not sure what I have. I hope you can watch. I want to make something sweet. We need more positive in this world right now. There's not much else I can say. I see if I can get my cameraman over here and we can make a video making a cake. I won't make it 39 minutes long. You won't have to wait. I'll just cut it down to whatever it takes to make the cake and frost it. Maybe we have a little something good to look at. Okay? Thank you for watching. This is a teaser video, so I will post it and we'll maybe make it later on tonight. Okay, thank you and God bless and arrivederci.